Welcome back to S.V.I.M YouTube ఛానల్. సో సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్లో చాలా వరకు నేను వీడియోస్ పెట్టాను. ఈ వీడియోస్ అన్నింటినీ చూసి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయటం మర్చిపోవద్దండి. దాంతోపాటు బెల్ ఐకాన్ మీరు నొక్కినట్లయితే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు ఒక నోటిఫికేషన్ ఇస్తూ వస్తుంది. ఇది మర్చిపోకూడదని మరీ మనవి చేస్తున్నాను. సో మీకు గతంలో జరిగిన క్లాస్లో ఎక్సర్సైజ్ 8.2లో ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయటం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు థర్డ్ ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. జస్ట్ లిజన్ టు మీ. రైట్, లెట్ మీ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the lamp post at a speed of 1.2 meter per second. So here one girl is there. The height of that girl we have been given as 90 centimeters, and that girl is walking away from the lamp post. That means in this problem one more lamp post is also there. From that lamp post that girl is moving away from that lamp post, but she is moving with which speed? That speed also have been given. So here one thing you need to remember, that speed is not the measurement of the line or line segment. That is nothing but only speed. So to find the measurement of that line segment after drawing the figure, that line segment is nothing but distance here. Line segment of measure is nothing but distance here. That means according to this speed, how much distance is traveled, that one you need to find. To find the distance, how much she traveled according to this speed, must and should have been given time. How much, that means how many seconds she traveled, or how many minutes she traveled, how many hours she traveled. That one you must and should be given in the problem. Otherwise it is not possible to find the measurement of line segment, that means distance. So to find the distance, must and should, we need to use two values or two measurements. They are speed and time. By taking them you can find the distance. So distance is nothing but line segment of measurement, that's all. But here you won't write this measurement as the line segment of measurement. This is only speed. Okay, if you want to write the measurement of a line segment, that should be distance. That distance you need to find here. Now listen to me. So here one girl is there. That girl is moving away from the lamp post, and with which speed she is moving means 1.2 meter per second. Per second she is moving 1.2 meters. That's all. Next, if the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, that means above ground the lamp post of height is nothing but 3.6 meters means this is the height of the lamp post. So here three information we are given. First one is height of the girl. Next one is with which speed she is moving from the lamp post. Next, third one is height of the lamp post. These three informations we have been given in the problem. So what we need to find here means find the length of her shadow after 4 seconds. 4 seconds after, what is the length of her shadow we need to find. Okay, that means here it is very clear to us. According to this speed she traveled 4 seconds. According to this speed she traveled 4 seconds. So how much distance she can travel in 4 seconds with this speed you need to find. There you can get distance traveled by her in 4 seconds with 1.2 meter per second of speed. Okay, yes, now listen to me. First find speed of the girl. S is equal to 1.2 meter per second. So time t is equal to 4 seconds. Next, now distance traveled by her in 4 seconds with that given speed d is equal to speed into time. So what is the speed here? 1.2 meter per second into what is time? 4. So 12 fours is 48. After one digit, if you hold the point, 4.8 meters. This is the distance traveled by the girl in 4 seconds with 1.2 meter per second speed. That's all. So how much distance it traveled in 4 seconds from the lamp post? That means 4.8 meters. That's all. Next, after that, if the lamp post is 3.6 meters above the ground, find the length of her shadow. So here we need to find the length of her shadow. First of all, we need to draw a figure. So how it is possible to draw the figure means, here you have been given one lamp post, that is the lamp post. So this is nothing but earth. On the earth, lamp post is nothing but, how much height it is? 3.6 meters. So this is the height of the lamp post. From this lamp post, she is moving away. She is moving away from this lamp post. So away means she can move either in this way or in this way. So here I am taking in this way, she moved from the lamp post. Okay, now listen to me. So from this lamp post, she is moving away with how much speed? 1.2 meter per second. But in 4 seconds, how much distance she traveled? Approximately, I am assuming she traveled this distance in 4 seconds with that speed. So now she is at this place. Who is she? That girl. That girl of height, how much you have been given there? 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters. Okay. So here, that girl is standing here. So if she stands here, her shadow is nothing but on the earth. I am taking as this one. This spot is nothing but her shadow. This shadow of length, just only from here to from here. This shadow length we need to find. That's all. Okay. Now listen to me. Here I am taking this one as AB. That is height of the lamp post. And this one I am taking as CD. That CD is nothing but height of the girl. That's all. Next, here CE I am taking the length of the shadow of that girl. The length of the shadow of that girl. Next, this AB is height of the lamp post. And this CD is 90 centimeters. That is nothing but height of the girl. Next, EC is nothing but the length of the shadow of that girl. Next, AC here refers in 4 seconds with that seed how much distance she traveled. So here AC means distance traveled by her in 4 seconds with that speed. That have been find out already. That distance D is equal to how much she traveled? 4.8 meters of distance she traveled in 4 seconds with that speed. Okay. Now listen to me. Here we are joining the tops of the girl and lamp post. That's all. This is D. Now listen to me. This is length of the shadow of that girl. I am assuming as that one X meters. X meters. Sound. X meters. Okay. Next, now listen to me. So here, this is a triangle. Okay. Next, this is also one more triangle in that main triangle. This measurement we need to find. Whenever we need to find one measurement of a triangle which had been a sub figure in the main triangle, in such cases we need to prove that sub triangle and main triangle should be similar. Whenever have been proved the two triangles are similar, by taking the ratio of their corresponding sides we can find the missing measurement. That's all. So now listen to me. This is the main triangle, you know, and this is lamp post. Always a lamp post is perpendicular to the earth, and this is nothing but a girl. That girl is also in standing position. Whenever the object is in standing position on the earth, that is also 90 degrees of angle, 90 degrees of angle with the ground. That's all. In this main triangle, this angle is 90 degrees, and in this subtriangle, this angle is also 90 degrees, and in this main triangle, this angle, in this subtriangle, this angle is a common angle for both the triangles. Now listen to me. In main triangle and in subtriangle, two pairs of corresponding angles are equal. According to A corollary, it is very easy to find to say that two triangles are similar. That's all. But here one thing is there. AB, height of the lamp post, been given in meters. Next, height of the girl, they have been given in centimeters. And CE, that one we need to find, that one we are taking in meters. Next, CA, you are obtaining the distance travelled by her in 4 seconds with 1.2 meter per second, also in meters. Just only you are having this measurement in centimeters. That's why you need to convert that one also into meters. Okay, so now listen to me. The information first you need to write in the given figure. So AB is height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post, as that is AB, is equal to 3.6 meters. Next, height of the girl, that is CD, is equal to 90 centimeters. So here height of the girl in meters. Now for 1 meter 100 centimeters. So if you divide that centimeters with 100, 9 by 10 meters you get. That's all. Next, after that, distance travelled by her in 4 seconds, that represents in the figure AC, that is equal to D is equal to 4.8 meters. Let the length of the shadow of the girl, that means length of the shadow of the girl, that is EC, is equal to X meters. Now in triangles ABE and CDE, in these two triangles, now angle BEA is equal to angle DEC. This is common angle for both triangles. Next, after that, angle BAE is equal to angle DCE, that is equal to 90 degrees. Yes, under AAA corollary, triangle BAE is similar to triangle DCE. In similar triangles, corresponding sides are in proportion. That means in main triangle, if you take this angle, the side which is opposite to that angle AB by in subtriangle the corresponding angle to this angle in subtriangle is this angle itself. The side opposite to that angle is CD is equal to, in main triangle if you take right angle, the side which is opposite to that right angle is BE. By in this subtriangle the corresponding angle for this angle is this one, and what is the side opposite to this angle, that is DE, is equal to, in this main triangle these two angles had been over. Now the remaining angle is this one, the side which is opposite to this angle in the main triangle is AE. By next in this subtriangle also these two angles are over. This is the remaining angle, the side which is opposite to that angle is EC. That implies to, what is AB? AB of measure have been given, that is 3.6 meters by. Next CD. So CD measurement they have been given in centimeters, but it had been converted by you into meters. What is that? 9 by 10. That one we need to write. That is equal to. Next BE of measurement. They haven't been given, but here this ratio is not necessary to us in the calculation part. You can leave it. After that AE. What is AE of measurement? This one. How can you write that one? AC plus CE. AC plus CE by EC. So that is nothing but CE. CE. Okay. Next, that implies to 3.6. This divided by, I am writing as into, then it will be changed as 10 by 9 is equal to AC of measure. What is that AC of measure? 4.8 plus what is CE? X by again CE, that is also nothing but X. That implies 2. Now listen to me. So if you make the cancellation here, or you can multiply this 3.6 with 10. If you multiply in that way, you can get 36 by 9 is equal to 4.8 plus X by X. That implies to 9 1 just 9 4 just get cancelled, 4. That is equal to 4.8 plus X by X by cross multiplying. So this X into 4x is equal to 4.82 plus X. Now 4x, by sending this plus X to another side of equality symbol, it will be changed as minus X, and here 4.8 hold itself there. Now plus 4x minus X is nothing but plus 3x, that is equal to 4.8. Now X is equal to 4.8 by 3. By cancellation you can get that value as 3 1 just 3, that means 1.8. By holding that point here, you can take that number as 18. So 3 6 just 1.6. So X, how you are assuming there, means CE, that is length of the shadow of the girl. So CE is equal to X, that is equal to 1.6. Finally we need to write, therefore length of the shadow of the girl, that is CE, that is equal to X, that is equal to 1.6 meters. That's all. Okay, let me explain again this problem orally. Here one lamp post is there. From that lamp post, one girl is moving away from that lamp post with some specified speed. Okay, so after that girl, where she stands after traveling 4 seconds of distance, from that place some shadow she is getting on the earth. The shadow which had been got by her on the earth, that length of shadow we need to find. This is the main problem of given problem. Okay, so now listen to me. This is lamp post, and after 4 seconds just she traveled some distance from here to here. from this place we need to find what is the length of her shadow. From this place we need to find. So here that persons of height also have been given. That one is nothing but 90 centimeters. And here the shadow of length of that girl we are taking as here CE, and that one we need to find that we are assuming as x meters. But here height of the girl have been given in centimeters, remaining all information you are giving have been given in meters. So that's why you need to convert the height of the girl is also into meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters we know. By dividing the height of the girl with 100, automatically that height had been changed into meters. That's all. If you change in that way, height of that person is nothing but, that person means that girl is nothing but 9.10 meters. By taking all of information in that figure, here that main triangle and subtriangle we need to prove as similar. Whenever have been proved the two triangles are similar, then automatically the three pairs of corresponding sides of ratio by taking we can find the value of x. Here x refers length of the shadow of the girl. Okay, yes, keep watching SVIM YouTube channel. ఇంకొకసారి చెప్తున్నాను, ఎవరైనా 10th క్లాస్ పిల్లలు ఉన్నట్లయితే ఈ వీడియోలు చూస్తున్నట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. నేను పెట్టే ముందు వీడియోస్ అన్నీ కూడా కొంత మీకు సిలబస్లో ఉన్న కాంప్లికేటెడ్ చాప్టర్స్ మాత్రమే నేను వీడియోస్ చేయాలని అనుకున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే చాలామంది పిల్లలు ఈ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ టాపిక్స్లోనే కొంత ఇబ్బందులు పడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఆ ఇబ్బందులు మీకు ఉండకూడదనే ఉద్దేశంతో నేను సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. నేను ఇంకా కొన్ని మెయిన్ టాపిక్స్ అంటే కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బందిగా ఉన్న పిల్లలు ఏ పార్ట్స్లో అయితే ఇబ్బందిగా ఫీల్ అవుతుంటారో అలాంటి టాపిక్స్ తీసుకొని వీడియో చేయాలని అయితే నేను స్టార్టింగ్లోనే డిసైడ్ చేసుకున్నాను. అలాంటి వీడియోసే నేను చేస్తాను. కంపల్సరీగా పిల్లలు చూడండి. పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే ఆ పిల్లల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయండి. సో ఈ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూడడం ద్వారా మీకు ఉపయోగమే ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఉపయోగం లేకుండా అయితే ఉండదు. ఖచ్చితంగా వాచ్ చేయండి. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వాట్సాప్లో నాకు మెసేజ్ చేయండి, లేదా మీ డౌట్స్ని క్లియర్గా నాకు అక్కడ టైప్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్లో నేను ఆ డౌట్స్ మీకు క్లియర్ చేస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్స్కి వెళ్ళటం జరుగుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ స్విమ్ ఛానల్. బాయ్.